Not seen these with lanterns before. Ascensores Macomsa. That's a new one. Fane does the maintenance.
These actually aren't too bad.
Do they have the lanterns on these floors? No, they don't. I have no clue who makes those fixtures. We'll get a look at the panel. Just your usual COP for your typical Spanish generic. Nothing crazy. So I actually spoke too soon. These actually run like poo-poo. They do not run well. So ignore my previous statement.
Oh, nice. They're under level 2.
Back up. Maybe like 1 week, I should just do a week on my channel where it's literally nothing but Spanish generics. It's all you get, it's all you'll watch for a whole week. Because I've literally filmed a million of these, but they're actually kind of interesting. Spanish generics, in my opinion, are more interesting than US generics. Because you literally don't know what the hell you're going to find. Anyway, that's it.